Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Rinku, and I'm gonna teach you guys different technique for beginner and advanced level of art. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do a beautiful rainbow. We'll sketch the rainbow and we'll learn how to color the rainbow with paint. So for the rainbow, we'll start from the left side of our paper. So over here, first we're going to draw the clouds. Make some curved lines and come back again where you have started. There we go, good job. Now we'll leave some gap in between and we'll make another cloud on the other side of our paper. Make a couple of curvy lines and then you can come back to where you have started. Very nice. Okay, now we'll make some nice and good curve for our rainbow. So I'm starting from here. I'm making up one nice and even curve to the other side. Very nice. Now we'll leave some gap in between and we will make another curved line next to it. There we go, good job. So for the next line also, we'll keep maintain the same distance. So for that, I'm making another curvy line from here, come all the way to the side and connect here. There we go. Alrighty, so we are completed making our rainbow shape here. Now we'll make some smiley cute face inside the clouds. So if you want, you can make the cloud open, eyes open. I'm just making a closed eye. I want my clouds to sleep. Okay, so make a closed eye, little eyelashes. You can do it over here, and it's also smiling while it's sleeping. For this side, I'm gonna make an open eye. So you make some circle, one circle here, another circle over here, and you make one medium circle, small circle. Again, medium circle, small circle inside, and we'll make another smiley here. There we go. And if you want to make eyelashes, definitely you can do that. Good job. Very nice. So now we are done sketching. So now I'm gonna take my color pencil. You can take your marker or color pencil either, but as we will do it with the watercolor paint, so I want to use my color pencil. So what I'm doing here, I'm tracing the outline of all the pencil line I just did over here. Go slow and trace each of them. Guys, if you haven't checked my other videos, other cute drawings, you can go ahead and definitely watch that. I really make some nice cute videos. Okay, so I'm done tracing my lines. Now I'm going to take my eraser and erase those pencil lines. You can just do the eyes inside. Don't worry about these lines. When you're gonna color, those all will cover up. So don't worry about if you made some extra lines. That's absolutely okay. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos which I upload every week. Let me know if you have any question regarding this video. You can just comment me. I read each and every comment, so I'll definitely get back to you soon. Also kids, if you are interested in my personal lesson, please visit my website link, and I put it in the description. All right, now we'll start coloring. So first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my red and I'll start coloring from here, left to right. We'll take the red and go slow and make sure you fill all the areas over here. See, I did all the bigger area. Now I'm going close to the line and making them nice and even. Good job, very nice. So what is the next color, guys? It's gonna be the orange. So now I'm gonna take my orange and color the next line. If you see sometime the color, the red is coming into the orange, it's going inside, that's okay, because when rainbows are, you know, when you see rainbow, they're all blending, the colors are blended with each other, right? So that's absolutely okay if it's some part, if it's going inside. Yeah, I would definitely recommend not to use markers, because as we are doing the paintings, sometimes the markers can get a little messy. So try to use your black color pencil instead of the markers. There we go. We're done with the orange. Now guys, can you tell me what color you should take now? Yes, that's going to be our yellow. Be a little careful when you're gonna do close to the cloud. Very nice. Good job. Now we'll take our green. There we go, good job. So we're almost there. We just need to color one more layer with our purple. Make sure there is no white spaces while you're coloring. Now we will use our purple. So I have a little darker purple, but if you have a lighter version, definitely use that. There we go. Make sure you go a little close to the white spaces, the lines, and fill the gap. So for the cloud, I'm gonna take just a tiny bit of gray. If you do not have the gray, you can take a little bit of black. But see, you blend it with a lot of water, and then I'm just adding some areas. Not all the way, just some areas. That's it, there we go. Good job, guys, very nice. You did great today. All right, we're done with our beautiful, beautiful rainbow. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye. Hey guys, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe the channel.